This will be a homework help on lesson 2.3, which deals with set operations. All right, let's get started. Now, part of this is to know the symbols. This symbol is for intersection, and the word and. This symbol that you will see is for union, and the word or. We covered that in our flipped classroom video. So they're asking us here, what is the intersection of set A with set B? And you're looking for a strategy to do it. Well, if this were a Venn diagram, we're looking for those elements or members that would be found in set A and in set B. So a strategy would be, let's start with B. 3. Is that found in A? Yes. So you put a little line there. 5. Is that found in A? Yes. Put a little line there. 7. 9. 11. And that's it. So you list the 5 elements. Now, in some cases, I've noticed students hadn't used the braces. So be sure to use the brace tool. List them, separating them by commas. And on the last one, don't put a comma. Told you I did that many times, and I've told you many times, but I only did it once. I was on a roll on that one. All right, let's go on. Now, in this next one, we're asked to look at this Venn diagram, and all of these students make up the universe. Here, these students are only in A. These students are only in B, while these students are in both A and B. And these students are those that are not in A or B. So they're asking, determine which students are majoring in only business. So it would be these 4 students that you check off, and this was a rather easy one. All right, let's go on. Now, here's where it gets a little more challenging, and you need to know the protocol, the strategy to do it. And looking at the example, what is it asking? Well, it's set A intersecting with the results of B in union with C. And according to our rules for sets, we do what is in parentheses first. So what you would do is look at set B and set C and put them together. I will pause and do that, and we'll review it. So what I've done is I've put little lines under each as I use them, and I tried to keep it alphabetically. That way you can get a little order. And I don't repeat. I only use the element once, even if it's repeated. That's the rule. Now, I've done, this is the union. I joined both of these together. Now I want to do the intersection of A, which is ALTER. And now I'm going to use that technique of what is found in both. A, no. L, yes. L is found in both. T, T is found in both, and E and R is found in both. So again, this person had it incorrect. The correct would be, again, with braces, LTER. Order should not be important how they are listed. I tend to list alphabetically, but I could vary that too. Let's go on. Now, in this one, again, we want to review strategy. What are we looking for? Well, set A in union with set B. Now, a good protocol might be to go to the larger set and then start listing them. So I have a 2. I'm going to need a 2. I'll need 1 3. I'll need a 4. I'll need 1 5. I'll need a 6. I'll need 1 7. I'll need an 8, 1 9, then 11 and 13. And as you list them, again, you have to put in your braces, no comma at the end, and then close with a brace. So that one was rather straightforward. This one, a little easier. Here's our Venn diagram of people in a group. Some are in set A, some are in B, and some are in both, and some are in neither. What are they asking here? Determine how many students play soccer and baseball. Well, soccer and baseball, the ones that intersect, it's 3. So a relatively easy one here. Let's go on. Now, in this next example, they're asking us with these vertical lines the cardinal number. Of the intersection of set X and Y. Here they're not asking you to list the elements or members, just to note the number. So again, you would go to the smaller one and say L. L is found in both. U is found in both. N is found in both. And E is found in both. 1, 2, 3, 4. The cardinal number is 4. This is a similar question to what we've done already. We've explained this, and what are they asking? Determine which students are taking biology and U.S. history. Well, that would be the intersection, Ben, Dean, and Will. So a relatively easy one that we've done already. Again, the practice and certify you would do might be different questions, but hopefully you know the strategy, the protocol to get it done. All right, let's go on. Had a little glitch there, but let's go on. This one's similar. We have find the number of playing cards in a standard deck of 52 that are either red cards or cards that are not face cards. Now, the face cards are these: the king, the queen, and the jack. And remember, we said there were 4 suits. Hearts were red. Diamonds were red. We had the spade were black. And the clubs were black. And there were 13 of each of these suits, which gave a total of 52. So here they're wondering now, find the number of playing cards that are either red cards or cards that are not face cards? Well, of our red cards, we're going to have 26. Now, that are not face cards, we're going to eliminate from the black the 3 face cards that are black that are spades, the 3 face cards that are black that are clubs. So that would leave us in these areas of 10 and 10. So when we added this up, this adds up to 46. And this person had it correct.